Welcome, kids! Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is all about food chain, transfer of energy.
Let's begin. A student studies the roles of organisms in a food chain. Which image best represents a producer? And the correct answer is letter B, green grass growing. A model shows sunlight reaching grass before a rabbit eats it. How does this model explain where the rabbit's food energy began? And the correct answer is letter C, the grass captured energy from sunlight. A consumer gets energy by eating plants or other animals. Which image best represents a consumer? And the correct answer is letter A, rabbit eating grass.
A flowchart traces energy from sunlight to a corn plant and then to a chicken. How does the chicken obtain energy for motion? And the correct answer is letter B. It eats food made by the corn. Energy is traced through the food chain. Sun gives grass, gives rabbit, gives fox. Where did the fox's energy originally come from? And the correct answer is letter C, the sun. Why does a deer's growth depend on energy that originally came from sunlight? And the correct answer is letter A. Plants store sunlight energy in food.
Several plant-eating animals are compared. What pattern is shown by the data? And the correct answer is letter B. Their energy originally came from the sun. A bear uses energy from food to maintain body warmth. Which statement is best supported by the food chain model? And the correct answer is letter C. Energy passes through the food chain. The amount of energy available at each level of a food chain is compared. Which organism has the most energy available? And the correct answer is letter A. Grass.
Why can eating grass provide a cow with both energy and materials for body repair? And the correct answer is letter B. Grass contains stored energy and matter. Energy movement through a food chain is studied. What pattern is shown by the data? And the correct answer is letter C. Energy decreases at higher levels. A fox does not eat plants directly. How does the food chain model show that the fox still receives energy that began with sunlight? And the correct answer is letter A. Energy moves through grass and rabbit.
A student compares models showing how energy enters a food chain. Which model best shows plants as a starting point for energy reaching animals? And the correct answer is letter B. Sun gives grass gives rabbit. True or false, a plant uses sunlight to make food from air and water before some of that stored energy is transferred to an animal. And the correct answer is letter C. True. Which model best shows sunlight helping a plant make food before the stored energy reaches an animal? And the correct answer is letter A. Sun gives plant gives rabbit.
True or false? A hawk's food energy can be traced back to sunlight, even though the hawk does not eat plants directly. And the correct answer is letter B. True. The source of a hawk's food energy is traced through a food chain, which pathway correctly shows where that energy began. And the correct answer is letter C. Sun gives, grass gives, mouse gives, hawk. A raccoon is an omnivore that eats both berries and insects. How can both foods provide the raccoon with energy that began with sunlight? And the correct answer is letter A. Both food paths begin with plants.
Animals need food, energy, and matter for growth and repair. Which scene best shows an animal receiving both from a plant? And the correct answer is letter B. Rabbit eating leaves. What evidence from the diagram supports the movement of energy through a food chain? And the correct answer is letter C. Energy moves through living organisms. A horse uses food energy to maintain body warmth. Which food chain best traces that energy to its original source? And the correct answer is letter A. Sun gives, grass gives, horse.
A caterpillar eats leaves and later uses the food for growth and change. Why can the caterpillar use the leaves for growth and change? And the correct answer is letter B. Leaves provide energy and materials. A lion does not eat plants, but its food energy can still be traced back to sunlight. Which pathway correctly shows this transfer? And the correct answer is letter C. Sun gives, grass gives, zebra gives, lion. How can this model explain why all animals depend on energy from the sun? And the correct answer is letter A. Plants capture sunlight, animals get energy from food.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.